Let's get to the roads right now, and you can see a lot of rain at the moment. But again, some folks are going to be seeing some snow too, right, Chief?
Well, that's eroding. The good news actually is there is no snow. I mean, basically, most of the stuff is going. Vernon Valley, you see about 2 inches, 41 degrees. That's the story. Climbing, those temperatures are an easterly breeze. Look at the moderate to heavy rain now across portions of Brookhaven, Staten Island. The snow is holding itself together well north of the city. Highlands, Bath Beach in the city, moderate rain. This will be eroding very shortly because the warm air is infiltrating on a strong easterly flow at 30, 40, even gusting 50 miles per hour. So here's a future cast. You can see there's the center of the storm, and you can see there's a try at least Friday night to go back to a little snow. I don't think it's going to happen because the maritime air is very slow to leave. Who gets the bullseye? Well, if that's right, Wyndham gets the bullseye. Elevation, mountaintop, ski resort, 20 inches if it's real. 1 to 3 inches gone already. 3 to 6 inches mixing and gone already. And again, the hill country, all of the higher terrain will get the heaviest snow. It's a coast-hugging storm. It goes across Long Island. It goes across the Maritimes. It will have a counterclockwise flow. The cold air will pour in behind it, but again, the city too warm, all right, on this event. But the maps are showing very cold air, and the very cold air in the deep purple is single digits or well below zero. Notice the purple advances western portion of the Great Lakes. The chill is in. Now it really advances across the Great Lakes. I'm trying to say now, next week's going to be cold throughout, and the maps are indicating the period before Christmas. Let's figure the 22nd through the 28th could be very active in terms of storms. That's an outlook. 40 and climbing. Rain and wind. My man Cruz showing the arrow going up. The rain tapers off later on in the afternoon tomorrow. All sections eventually giving it up. 45. Here's your forecast. The cold air is in. Hanukkah is coming. The sun will reign supreme. No real action here until the end of next week or the weekend. Winter officially begins on Wednesday.